Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will teach you about blood vessels. Basically, blood vessels are the tubes which carry blood from the heart towards the whole body. They are hollow inside, means they have a cavity from which the blood travels. They are mainly of three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart, and veins are the blood vessels which carry blood towards the heart. These are capillaries which are inside the tissues, and their function is uh, for tissue perfusion, means the blood gets out from the capillaries inside the tissues or get inside the capillaries from the tissues. Arteries carries oxygenated blood, which means their blood contains oxygen, and veins carries deoxygenated blood, which means their blood contains less oxygen. All the arteries carries oxygenated blood except for the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is the basically which artery which carries blood towards the lung, and it carries deoxygenated blood. And all the veins carries deoxygenated blood except the pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. This is the cross-sectional structure of the artery, and this is the cross-sectional structure of the vein. Arteries are basically thick-walled because they contain high pressure blood, and veins are thin-walled because they contain low pressure blood. All the blood vessels are three-layer structure except for the capillaries. The inner layer, the middle layer and the outer layer. The inner layer is called intima. The middle layer is called media, and the outer layer is called adventitia. The inner layer intima is made up of epithelial cells. The middle layer media is made up of smooth muscle cells, and the outer layer adventitia is made up of connective tissue. Same inside in the veins, the inner layer is intima. In the arteries, the smooth muscles are the layer of media or the layer of smooth muscles is very thick, while in the veins it is very thin, because in arteries there is high pressure blood, so arteries need to be more muscular to bear the impact of the pressure of blood, while the veins does not, the blood in the veins does not have pressure. That's why veins are thin walled. And now the last point is the veins contain walls while the arteries does not contain walls, because the blood in the arteries is high pressure. That's why it does not have the uh, reverse flowing of blood, while the blood in the vein does not have pressure, then there is a chance that the blood will flow in the reverse direction. That's why the veins contain walls to prevent the backflow of the blood. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels present inside the body. They are formed by the division of arterioles. Exchange of material take place between the blood and the tissue fluids inside the capillaries. The wall of capillaries is so thin that there is easily exchange of gases, waste material, carbon dioxide, and food take place. Single layer from which it is made of is called endothelium. There are furthermore two types of blood vessels, which are the arterioles and venules. which are arterioles and venules. Arterioles are basically the smallest size of the arteries. The arteries basically divide into the smallest arterioles, and which further divide into capillaries, and then the capillaries rejoin to form venules, and then the venules together convert into vein.